Don't ever settle. There's just way too little time on this earth, and there's way too many opportunities out there, different ways that you can make money. So I am here sitting in traffic, just thinking about how I woke up this morning and I did some work. And then I went and I did some work on the computer, just editing some videos and doing different things like that for social media. I just walked away from a granite store where I was picking out some new countertops for a particular flip that we're doing. And now I'm actually on the way to a restaurant where I'm going to go in and visit with the crew and actually kind of put some hours in at the restaurant, make sure everything's good. And it got me thinking, never at any point in time today did I ever feel like I was working through any one moment. Ladies and gentlemen, if you were thinking about what do I need to do for the rest of my life, what should I choose as a career? If you were a young person, college, early, or late high school, and you're thinking, should I be a doctor? Should I be a plumber, electrician, a nurse, or attorney, like whatever it is, versus that, what I would be focusing on if I were you is just getting and tasting as much as you possibly can. And I mean that in the ways of, a career. I would say to you, like when you're in high school, you should be switching careers, jobs, to something completely different about every 6 months or so. Just so you can taste what it is. Like, should I be in construction? Well, let me go work for a painting company. Do I want to do something like in an office setting, or let me go volunteer at an attorney's office just filing papers? Do I want to be a doctor or a nurse? Or let me go volunteer in a nursing facility or work in a nursing facility. Do I want to work with the pets, go to the veterinarian? You should be switching your jobs, tasting as much as you can to figure out exactly what it is you want to do. If you want to be in YouTube or Facebook, whatever, be posting every single day. You have to do this because for you to be excellent and to excel and be the best at whatever it is that you end up doing, again, doesn't matter, doctor, attorney, entrepreneur, restaurant owner, real estate, it doesn't matter. You have to have a passion and a love for what it is, because if you don't, you're just simply not going to put in the work. If it is just a regular 9 to 5 and you just dread going in every single day, where as soon as you clock in, you're kind of like, God, for the love, how do I get out of here? You're just not simply going to put in the work that you need to learn the craft, to be an expert at that, to earn the big dollars that you need to really, set yourself up for success. So if you're looking, you're not really sure, for the love of God, don't go to college and just choose a career out of a career. Yes, we all take these jobs that are a stepping stone that we might need to do just to kind of pay the bills, but you should always be looking to change up and change what it is and figure out if you want to be outside or inside or whatever. You need to be changing it up. Don't ever settle. There's just way too little time on this earth, and there's way too many opportunities out there, different ways that you can make money, for you to settle and not be happy day in, day out. Your 9 to 5 has to feel like a really great hobby, to where you dive into it every single day, that you really come up from that work 5, 6, 7 hours later and you're like, man, the day just went by. I was having so much fun. I was excited doing it. If it's not, you're not in the right career. Dump it, get out of it right now, and change courses.